How to reset the password of your customer's bank account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can reset your customer's bank account password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first thing that you'll need to do is search for your customer's bank account on the web browser. Then you can head over to the website, the homepage, or you'll see this login button. Tap on this login page and okay, so this is not working. I'll just cross this out, and after you're here, tap on the sign in button on the top right. After you tap on the sign in button, it'll take you to the sign in page of the website. So all you now have to do is tap on forgot your password right here to reset it. So enter your login ID, then tap on submit. After you tap on submit, it'll verify that it's you. You'll need to give it information such as your social security number or your taxation ID or anything else that you used for verification. And after they verify you, they will send you a reset link or an OTP from which you can change your password. And that's how you do it, and that's all for today's video. Just follow the prompts and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.